Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to add or remove Google accounts on your Xiaomi A2 Pro TV. Press the gear button on the remote to open Quick Settings and select All Settings. Then scroll down to Accounts and Profiles. To remove an account, select the account you want to remove. Enter your PIN if prompted, then scroll down to Remove Profile and click Remove. The account will be deleted from your TV. To add an account, select this option. Enter your account data manually or scan the QR code with your smartphone where you're already signed in. Let's sign in on TV and select this option. Enter the email address using the virtual keyboard. Click Next, then enter your password and press Next again. Accept terms and conditions, then click Got it. Adjust recommendations and ads, click OK. Wait until setup finishes. You can also select pre-installed apps you want for this account or skip and confirm. The account is added. To switch between accounts, navigate to the Accounts icon in the top left corner and select any account on your TV. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. So, if it helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.